Khublei shibun fibro kajimutip nam tai Khubor Laitkam Hikai te kidon ki post kibde jongka deficit but kidon ki bomde ru jongka deficit. Dengan pikir gini, one assistant teacher is required deficit in Saint Joseph Upper Primary School Umden, Port District. Minimum qualification BA with 50% and B.Ed, LANE, DLEd regular pass certificate. MTED, CTED rokipan no hangne tegi bala pass CTED tegi la apply CTED UP pass certificate. Age limit as per government norms. Language for instruction is English. Interested person may submit their application to the MC secretary on or before 15 September. Date of interview will be intimated through phone. They fill out one contact here. Nam tagi jingtip bakamne number phone adab I Tylli secretary knai pranru line not san not sau san pra president pranyo nriu not way kandai arlai. Telda pikwa ban apply nam ta kaneka post kabalai fill out one contact itu ki number phone ki bala adab I. Khubor, one assistant teacher is required in a deficit in RCLP school, Plaza. Minimum qualification 12/BA, class 12 lane BA with 50% and DLEd regular pass certificate. Hangnek mudba lapan isai by NIS kinomsha atau by direct regular pass certificate. MTED, CTED menta kila pedang gini kita baca mana kemudian kila pedang kita pass MTED ru lane pass CTED ru LP pass certificate. Age limit as per government norms. Language for instruction is English and Khasi. Interested candidate may submit their application to the MC secretary on or before 15 September. Date of interview will be intimated through phone. Secretary president ujuk phone number kemudian dia bihapo riboy berarti. Ujuk phone number akan bawawan kontak hi nam tagi jintip bekamnya kendai peran ru line not san not sausan pra at pranyo nriu not way kendai arlai. Kabalai the one pre-primary teacher at Tlung Mu Government LP School Yuksi West Jaintia Hill District. Qualification 12 pass with DLEd and MTED LP NCTR norms. DLEd diploma course under NIS are not eligible. Hangnel mentioned clearly bagi badep lang bagi NIS kinom priangra. Last date for submission of application should be on or before 6 September 2024. Kan mau last date kena interview September. Venue grade school premises interview will be on 14 September 2024 from 10 AM onward. Terhadap airu contact number filawan contact pra-saway line not san real r lai r. Fix ka salary ka debit kat prahajar shivanai. Secretary Tlongmu Government LP School Yuksi ka dehapo Jain Jahil. Tenam tagi jinte bakne filawan contact himapi. Takanekwe, one assistant teacher deficit post at Saint Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangbalang. Minimum qualification BA with B.Ed with basic knowledge on computer science and having at least 2 years of teaching experience. Arts name getting teaching experience. Application should reach the office of the principal on or before 6 September. Hal Neshuan Retek September Ajar Pesau Kapor Kendai Baje Hadu Lai Baje Kapor Long School. Contact number Nyo not prasan waisan lai nyo ndrukandai lai Tylli number phone nyo nreu sau not pra nyo san nyo ikandai bat pranyo lai sau kandai lai te filaban phone ni mapi nam ta gijing tip khamne kumno masomit kumno ike ginon kam kyo pide ban kali sa phone hi number la bai sakane ko wei ko khadu. Application are invited for a post of geology teachers in the higher secondary private section. Required qualification MSc B.Ed la pik MSc geology. Hangne kam thok right mai thok MSc B.Ed try dai ka geology hi. Application should reach St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong on or before 10 September 2024. Timing 10 AM to 2 PM. Written exam will be held at 10 AM on 12 September in the school campus. Te ki ko apna apply gini ki post kabalai selai hi keburan kam kontak hi di nomor keladap ai tangini hi ki jemput Khublei shibun.